Hey, what's up? It's J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're going to talk about those words that you might hear from your financial institution that could mean you're in financial trouble again, right? Get ready. They ask me how I know it'll be okay. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. R-E-A-L, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds. Irritate. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about words that you don't really want to hear. And this one is lien collection. If the bank says, hey, come here, Mr. Seller, so there's some outstanding liens that we're going to have to collect. Or might not even be the bank. Might be a contractor. Might be the courts. Might be when you're trying to sell that house at the last minute. You're like, whoa, there's a medical lien on the house. What? So liens are when a contractor, a service provider, or someone says you owe them money. And the money could be related to the house. Like I said, could be the mortgage, the bank saying, come here, let's talk, right? Could be a contractor saying they did work for you that you never paid them for. Could be something as wild as medical expenses that the owner of the property had, and maybe they unfortunately passed away. Yes, I'm talking from real experience here, right? Unfortunately passed away, and now as they transfer that property down to their next of kin, the next of kin inherits the property and the lien on the property from the medical expenses, right? So lien collection means the people who say they owe them money are coming to collect, and they like to collect, especially when you try to sell, right? Oh, you're gonna net $300,000 because you owe the house free and clear, except for our $299,000 lien that we have on this property. So now you got $1, and now your real estate agent's looking at you like, where's my commission? Right? It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.